You are going to love the 2016 Genesis. It wasn't named 2009 North American Car of the Year for nothing. Genesis combines luxury, performance, and engineering for one powerful and memorable driving experience and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, keyless entry, traction control, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, one owner. Come see the car for yourself.
Hyundai certified vehicles will provide you the confidence you desire in your next vehicle. All certified Hyundais come with a limited powertrain warranty, a comprehensive inspection, roadside assistance, and much more. Contact your Hyundai dealer today to learn more about the Hyundai Certified program.